Hello, this is my revision of the interview module. I have the questions here. Sorry. Tell me about yourself. My name is Justin Easton. I'm a full stack developer with a history in the culinary field where I learned how to work in a fast paced environment, manage my time, working with groups or myself individually if needed. But over the past year, I've been learning web development and making several projects, mainly with the tools of React, Node.js, JavaScript, Angular, and all its many frameworks and tools that come along with that. Improving my knowledge of web development and making a change in that direction as for a career choice. The second question was, tell me about your strengths and how they will help you. One of my strengths is my ability to learn and adapt to new or growing demands. During my time at Career Foundry, where I was learning full stack web development, I was able to meet each task and new language or tool that they wanted to cover, even covering several tools and picking the best tool for that particular job quite eagerly and easily. After some explanation, experimentation, and some use and a little repetition, I picked up fairly quickly on a lot of these and was able to complete many projects and still use them today. Sorry, I just got a phone call I had to block. And the next one was one thing you need to improve, a weakness. The current areas I feel like I could improve most on would be like being able to recall a lot of methods or functions that are quite often used just for memory, having to go back and reference old projects or Google how to do things. And I know that's always a process that goes on for years as a developer, but I would just personally like to improve on that, at least for a lot of the more actively used things, to just be able to recall them from memory. Another one would be keeping up documentation as I create something or an app or web page, which I have been on the past few, which I've added recently to my portfolio. Some of them are pending to be added. And I feel keeping up with documentation while these are being coded or created has really improved that ability to keep up a fresh memory of what was used or what tools or frameworks or just commands or API was used in the creation, rather than having to go back through and try and remember a lot of these, maybe even missing some. The next question was about salary, and at this moment my salary is flexible. Having seen the average for entry level of these positions, I see that you are offering in that average, and that is great. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm willing to negotiate within those numbers. And 3 questions. Could you tell me what a standard day for me would be like at the company, or even a standard week? What is the meetings schedule? What is the time of starting each day or ending each day? Or is there anything that sets your work week apart from maybe competitors or other companies? Questions. Oh, yeah. Besides the noted ones on the job information of languages preferred or needed for the position, are there any other types of languages or tools or frameworks that would benefit my time here for the company and help the team or company in general that would be, a good thing to learn. And my third question would be, what would my time here with the company look like in 6 months? And what would the opportunities raise during that time? And what about even a year from now? What kind of growth or expertise would I be gaining while assisting the company become even greater as well? I thank you for your time. Sorry for the little brain fart. They called again in the middle of the questions thing, and it kind of blanked me out for a moment. But I appreciate everything you did to help, and I'll be hearing from you soon. Thank you.